Now to the coronavirus. Hospitalizations all across the country have hit an all-time high. Yesterday, more than 144,000 infections and nearly 1,900 deaths were reported. That's the highest since May. Health officials worry the system cannot handle a prolonged spike in cases.
We're still able to handle any patient that comes our way, but it's certainly to the point of making us wonder what comes next.
Maryland is reimposing restrictions. In-person gatherings there limited to 25 people. And in New York City, Governor Andrew Cuomo is bringing back restrictions on gyms, bars, and restaurants. Southern Nevada hospitals, though, say they can handle the amount of coronavirus patients they have. Still, staff are preparing for a second surge. Right now, 82% of hospital beds in Southern Nevada are occupied. 15% are COVID-19 patients. Intensive care units are 66% occupied, with nearly 35% COVID positive. UMC CEO Mason Van Houweling says the increase in cases is serious.
We're not at our peaks that where we saw in April and then July at the July 4th weekend. So we're just trying to avoid that and get really ahead of this. So, but we're in good shape, but that can quickly change.
Van Houweling says much of this surge is because people just aren't wearing masks or washing their hands. And he thinks the positivity rate, getting it under control in 2 weeks, is only attainable if everyone does their part.
We're just trying to get ahead of that, especially for our economy here in Southern Nevada. We want to make sure we keep open. We've done such great work over the last 3 to 4 months, but unfortunately that's being unwound and we're going backwards where we want to keep pushing forwards.
We are just 2 days now into Governor Steve Sisolak's recent stay-at-home request. The governor asking everyone to only go out when necessary, limit outside exposure, avoid large and small gatherings, and work from home as much as possible. If you have to be in an office, wear a mask. The governor says if numbers do not improve in the next 2 weeks, he will impose stricter guidelines.